Welcome to Man vs. Nature, where I sucker punch Mother Nature in the jaw. We're here completely on our own, with no sense of civilization whatsoever. If something happened, I'd have to carry me and my friend John, the cameraman, to safety. Don't worry, John. I'll keep you safe. Sometimes out here, doing our job, we get really hungry. Thank goodness Mother Nature's so stupid she feeds her enemies. Oh, did we get the shot? We good? There's over 7 billion types of plants. Jessica, the lens cap's on.
Sorry, that's why it was so dark.
You fixed it?
Yeah, we're better.
Okay, let's take that shot again.
Okay.
There's over 7 billion types of plants. There's over 7 billion types of plants out there, and it's my job. Jessica, just because John walked out on this job with no explanation does not mean you can just start texting whoever you want in the middle of the shot. Jeez.
What the heck is this?
Oh, hey, John.
You sent me to Pizza Hut for 5 minutes, and you already replaced me?
Did you get my pizza?
It's in the trailer.
Go see that obstacle over there? I'm gonna conquer it. Do you want to know what I think about nature? You're supposed to ask me what I think about nature.
What do you think about nature?
I think Mother Nature's my restroom.
Mr. Wild? Am I supposed to record this?
No, you're supposed to turn off the camera.
Sorry.
Jessica! People usually ask me why I don't wear camouflage on these expeditions. The reason is, why would I want to look like disgusting nature? Is that good?
Let's take it one more time just for good measure.
People ask me all the time why I don't wear camouflage when I go on these expeditions. The reason is, why would I want to look like disgusting nature? Look, it's Mother Nature.
Why are we hiding behind a bush from Mother Nature?
Because she doesn't expect it. I'm gonna go punch her in the face!